Good morning friends, welcome to KSK Educational Channel. Today the topic is we are discussing about the curb in the sky. Okay, the lesson we have taken from the degree first year, first semester. Okay, that curb in the sky was written by James Thurber. Okay, the author is belongs to the America. Okay, is an American writer, humorist. We can say that he is a humorist. Okay, he worked as a journalist in many newspapers, and finally he joined in America. He joined in uh, the New Yorker magazine and established himself as a essay writer and short story writer. Okay, the theme of the lesson is going to explain about the conflicts between the wife and husband. Okay, the main concept of the lesson is the husband. It means that the men, they wanted to do something, they have the very curious to do something, but the wives, it means that the women, they are holding back them. Instead of pushing forward, they are pulling back them. Okay, in the Curb in the Sky we can discuss the two main characters. Okay, one is the Dorothy and the second one is a Charlie Distler. Okay, the entire story is involved only with the two characters. Okay, now we can check it that what is the main character of the Dorothy. Okay, the Dorothy is a female character. Okay, she looks very beautiful and pretty women, we can say that. Okay, but she looks very beautiful. Okay, there is no fact, there is no doubt at all, and she mesmerizes the others by her charming appearance. Okay, in the story we can discuss about the Dorothy's character is, okay, she looks very beautiful and she is a talented girl. Okay, everything is okay, but she has a one bad habit, always interrupting in others sentences, and always she corrects the sentences without their completing. Sometimes she completes the sentences with correct answers, sometimes she completes the sentences with the wrong answers. Okay, and because of this bad habit, nobody is ready to get married Miss Dorothy, because everybody knows that okay, she looks very beautiful, there is no problem at all, and at the same time she has a bad habit. The bad habit is that interfering in always in others activities, so that nobody is ready to get married. That's what everybody feels, that she is the nuisance character. Everybody feels that she is the nuisance character, so that nobody wanted to get married. Okay, even her parents also did not find that, okay, it is a kind of a nuisance. Okay, they felt that, okay, my daughter is very good and she is going to make the correct sentences whether the younger or elder are speaking. Okay, they feel very proud of her attitude, but in finally it becomes a very big nuisance. They don't find it. Okay, this is the character of the Miss Dorothy. Okay, there is another character. The another character is Charlie Dessler. The Charlie Dessler is a writer. Charlie Dessler is a writer. Okay, he is a very innocent person. He is a very innocent person. He went to many countries and he visited many countries. Okay, he has written so many stories also. Okay, but when he saw the first time Miss Dorothy, he fell in love. Simply we can say that this is a uh, love at first sight. Okay, when he saw that girl, by her appearance and by her communication, okay, by her looks, okay, her eyebrows, okay, just to feels that, okay, she is a very beautiful girl. Okay, he wanted to get that girl married, so that uh, he chat with that girl and he proposes to Miss Dorothy. Okay, finally they fell in love, and he wanted to get married with the Dorothy as soon as possible. Before going to get the marriage, Miss Dorothy, he will inform to his friends. When Charlie Dessler informs to his friends he is going to get married Dorothy, okay, they will say that okay, if you get married with that girl, you will become mad because she is a nuisance character. Okay, she is a nuisance character. Okay, don't get married. Uh, if you don't listen to us, okay, you will become bad after getting marriage. Okay, the friends advised him, but Charlie Dessler did not bother about his friends, and he wanted to get married. And finally, he says that he is going to get very beautiful girl as a wife, but they are jealousy. Okay, he feels that they are getting jealousy, but in fact, he doesn't know actually what is the character of the Miss Dorothy. Okay, he never bothered about others and he got the marriage with Miss Dorothy. Okay, after getting marriage, okay, the first year, okay, they are very happy because after getting marriage, everybody is the first 6 months or 1 year, they feel very comfort each other and they have the compromise. Okay, everything is fine. Even though that Charlie Dessler speaks very good English. Okay, he doesn't make any kind of a wrong sentences. He knows how to use was and how to use were after if, so that there is no problem at all. And the Dorothy was correcting his stories. Okay, she was giving some kind of advices. Okay, that Mr. Charlie Dessler did not bother about that. Okay, she was giving advices. He felt very happy. Okay, I had some mistakes, so that she is going to correct it. Okay, the first year for the first 1 year is over. Okay, when the second year is going to coming in their marital life. Okay, there were some small conflicts. Okay, always okay, if somebody will do any mistakes, okay, one or twice if you give advice, okay, they feel very happy. Okay, she is going to make the correction, but always interfering with unnecessary sentence also, we don't feel comfort. Okay, we feel irritated. Here also the Mr. Charlie Dessler got same kind of a attitude and same kind of a nature. Okay, he doesn't have a capability to beat his wife. Okay, so that he wanted to leave that Dorothy and he want to go somewhere. Okay, he became mentally ill. Okay, due to Dorothy, she always makes the sentences correct and she makes always nuisance. Okay, he is the imaginative writer, he wanted to say something but she doesn't listen. Okay, how it is possible, it is no way. Okay, you are doing all the things are wrong. Okay, you are saying the lies, so that he can't say anything. Okay, the finally he decided that he wanted to leave that Dorothy. Okay, one day what happened, he wanted to share one adventure stories. Okay, outlandish stories. Okay, he became monomania person. Okay, he was thinking that he wanted to leave his wife. Okay, he felt that she might not be interfere in his adventure stories, so he started saying the story is that okay, he wanted to go to the moon by making the aeroplane. The aeroplane is made of with telephonic wires and with leather. Okay, when he was explaining, okay, he wanted to go to the moon, and when he was moving towards the moon, he met one person in the sky. He looks like a Santa Claus and he was wearing the customs dress. Okay, he stopped and said that okay, this is the not way to go to the moon. Okay, you have to make some other instrument, this is not correct way to reach the moon. Okay, when he was saying like that, okay, the Charlie Dessler said that they met in the curb in the sky. But when he was saying that, the Dorothy interfered and said that there were no curves in the sky, there are only clouds in the sky, you are saying lie. Okay, this is completely wrong. Okay, you have to change the story. Then he will become mentally ill and he went to the asylum and he wanted to take the rest at asylum. After a couple of weeks, the Dorothy went to the asylum. Okay, when she was sitting beside the Mr. Charlie Dessler, okay, he wanted to explain again the same kind of a story, outlandish story. Okay, again, the speaker also went to meet the Charlie Dessler. When he went there, okay, he was explaining about his interest, about his outlandish story. The story was same thing. Okay, I wanted to go to the moon. When I was going towards the moon, I met one person. There are some curves. Okay, I pulled out to the curb the Santa Claus. Okay, when he was saying something, okay, she interfered and she said that, okay, you are saying again lies. Okay, this is not way of explaining. Okay, this is completely wrong. Okay, you have to meet the psychiatrist. Okay, this is not the way of explaining. Okay, then the Charlie Dessler mentally decided that, okay, she never listens to him. She never listens to him. Okay, she always interfere. Okay, he wanted to leave the Dorothy, and he turned his bed to other side. Okay, just the James Thurber were observing about their courtesy. Okay, this is the story. Okay, when you are writing the story, okay, we will get the four kind of a questions. So the first question is about the character of Dorothy. The second one is about the character of the Charlie Dessler, and the third one is that about their marital life of the first year, and the fourth question about their marital life of the second year. Okay, how it means that how they divided, and this is the story of the curb in the sky. Thanks for watching this video.